Hello everyone, welcome back to Traders Journal. So guys, I have got something really cool to show you today. We have launched a brand new module for charting and honestly, I am pretty excited about it. Let me walk you through what we have built. Okay, first thing, multi-layer. You know how annoying it is when you are trading and you can only watch one chart. Like you wanna see Euro USDD, Euro USD, but also GU and maybe a couple of stocks. But you keep switching tabs. Yeah, not anymore. Now you can split your screen, two chart, three chart, even four chart at the same time. So you are watching every time all your major instruments together. Pretty sweet, right? Alright, next one. Multi-workspace. Here's the thing, we all trade differently. Maybe you do access strategy in opening session, while in the closing. Yeah, you track different portfolios. So why should your charts looking the same for everything? Now you can set up different workspace. One for scalping, one for positional trades. Whatever you need. Each workspace stay exactly how you set it up. No more resetting your charts every single time. This next one, scalpers are gonna love this. We added seconds time frame. Yep, seconds, not just a minute. Actual seconds. If you are day trader or a scalper, you know those tiny moves matters a lot. Now you can see everything happening in real time. 5 seconds charts, 10 second charts, whatever you want. Number 4. And this is actually our users favorite. Watchlist with flagging. Super simple idea, but super powerful. Make your own watchlist. Flag the stock you are tracking. Maybe your color code them. Green for bullish setup. Red for one you are watching to short. Whatever system works for you, it's just there when you need it. Clean, organized, ready to go. Alright, multi-indicator support. Load up as many indicator as you want on your charts. All the popular ones are already there. RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, you name it. But here's what I really like. If you use some custom indicators that not in our list, just tell us how it works. The formula, the logic. We will build it and add it for you because your strategy is yours. Your tools should match it. Last feature, bar replay. Okay, this one perfect for practice. You can replay any chart bar by bar even in seconds. It's like time traveling through the market. Test your strategy, see if your setup would have worked. Practice your entries and exits without risking actual money. It's honestly one of the best way to get better at trading. Now let me tell you about pricing because this is kind of crazy. Everything I have showed you, plus journaling deep backtesting. It's just 400 rupees for a month. That's it. We wanted to keep it super affordable, and this is just version 1. We are literally adding new stuffs every week based on what you guys asked for. So drop a comment, tell us what features you want next. We are listening.